Vande Mataram, everyone. Today I want to share a powerful analogy that revolves around two remarkable water bodies, Lake Galilee and the Dead Sea. I'm sure you must have heard about these lakes, at least the names. I've shared this with a few of you, some of you in the class. Today I want to share it with everyone. So the Dead Sea is a lake which is very high in salt content, as high as 35% more than the ocean water. Yet paradoxically, it's devoid of life. No fish, no vegetation, nothing. Hence the name Dead Sea, that is lifeless. Now Lake Galilee, just to the north of the Dead Sea, in the same region, it's full of life, rich in marine life and vegetation. It is home to over 20 different fishes, types of fishes. Surprisingly, both lakes receive water from the same river, River Jordan. Coming from the same region, from the same source, yet the two water bodies are so different. How? The reason is, the River Jordan flows into the Sea of Galilee and flows out. Water passes through the sea, maintaining salt levels, keeping the Lake of Galilee healthy, vibrant, and full of life. But the Dead Sea is so far below, it has no outlet. So the water flows in from River Jordan, but does not flow out. Water evaporates every day from the Dead Sea, leaving it salty and hence unfit for marine life. Lake Galilee receives and gives the water, but the Dead Sea takes it, holds it, and does not give. Nature in its true wisdom is trying to teach us a lesson here. Life is not just about getting, it's about giving also. We must maintain the flow of positivity. For example, you win a prize. You rush to your people, you share the news, and your happiness multiplies. Do you? Yes or no? Do we or no? Even when we are low at something, we feel stressed, we want to share it with our friends, some of our teachers, family. We feel light, right? In the same way, love, respect, knowledge, wisdom, happiness could all evaporate if we don't learn to give and share, leaving us all empty. Even share the lows of your life. Anger, stress, fear. Have an outlet for that too, to make space for better things in life. Don't hold on to grudges. Make sure in the sea of life, we have enough outlets for everything. Open your taps of generosity, kindness, and positivity. Remember, what you give to the universe is what you're going to receive back. You will be amazed how beautiful this life is with your friends, family. Thank you.